Hey traders, Todd Gordon here. Welcome to the free video update. It's been probably about a month since I've done a free video. Oh no, here come the monkeys. Hey, come here. I'm doing a video. You gotta be quiet.
Can I help you do the video?
Yes, you can. You just gotta say hi to everyone.
Hi.
What's your name?
Brody.
Brody, okay. Hey, we're gonna talk about Apple, okay?
I need a chair. I'm ready to use this chair.
All right.
Wait.
Here, stand right here.
Okay.
Be careful though.
Because this is really jiggly.
It's jiggly, right? All right, to business, okay? Apple, guys, we're going to look at 3 stocks that are set up to move higher. Apple makes your iPad that you love so much. Okay? So before we get into the stocks, though, a couple quick announcements. We have, let's see, tomorrow we have a webinar with Peter Brandt. He is a legendary trader. He's been in the business for 40 years. That's going to be on the YouTube live stream tomorrow at 8:45. You're going to be going to school. Okay, so there should be a link below the video.
And I'm going to tell the people what my school is called.
Well, let's not tell them. Let's all right. Okay. All right. So we got to get through this. We got to get the people on their way. So that's 8:45. The other thing is we have a Motive Wave sale. Oh my God. The other good news. Come here, you. Sorry, guys. Yeah, there's 2 of them. Wait, why is there 2 of them?
Because there is Mr. Poopy on the back.
Oh, you got a shirt on backwards. Oh my God. The other important news is I did sign a lease on office space. So working at home, careful of that cord, please. Working at home is coming to a 10-year end. All right, you guys got to go. I got to finish my video.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, bye.
All right, be careful.
Okay, Poopy.
Yeah. All right. So anyways, sorry about that. So announcements. Again, we have the YouTube live stream tomorrow at 8:45 with Peter Brandt. We'll also be introducing Motive Wave software. They're doing their March sale. So those are the big announcements. Okay. Back to the stock market. You know, we are in a position where the S&P was holding the 78% retracement of the September to December drop. That was the whole that basically defined today. We're starting to see some rotation back into tech though. And if you look at Apple, Apple is in a pretty unique position here where we could come back and start to move back to new highs. It was upgraded by Bank of America. Possible that we're looking at a wave forward pullback into the 200-week moving average, and we're starting to see motive impulsive action on the upside. All right, so from the weekly down to the daily, here's what I'm looking at on the daily. It looks like we could do a little wave 5 move up into one of 2 fib resistance zones. One would be just around 185 in Apple, and the next would be 193. So with our members, we're going to be looking to set up some call butterflies, some unbalanced butterflies with some more positive delta to kind of nudge up into that zone. So that's Apple. Another one that I wanted to bring up to you was Intel. I actually added some Intel to my portfolio with our members today. It's come out of a long base here in Wave 2, moved up in Blue 3, which is going to be off the screen here. Blue 3, of course, is motive impulsive, breaks down into 5 waves, and here are those 5 waves. It should be green 1, green 2. If this is true third of a third, it should itself break down into a 5-wave move, which is right there. There's the 5-wave move. It should exceed the 100% Fibonacci projection, which so far it has at 52.61. The 1.618, which is color-coded green in the Motive Wave software to tell you that's the perfect upside target, or an ideal, I should say, is 57.35. So you have price, you have pattern, and you have distance or ratios coming in here. So we have good strong price action. We've got the pattern that indicates this is a wave 3. You've got price ratios which say we should move up to 57.35. So Intel looks pretty good. Okay, the other one, more tech, is Facebook. Facebook is really coming back from the dead. I have a sort of a peculiar ABC running flat pattern here. We go down in A, false break in B, crush everyone in C, and we're starting to move up off the lows. In wave 4, we could be on the way for a new high. So that's the weekly. Let's get down to the daily, and the wave count that I'm looking at here is interesting. It could actually be. It could be that this broke down into a nice little, just kind of a stealth little 5-wave move like this. Impulse. Actually, I would do it like this. I'm give MotiveWave a little help. MotiveWave does have automated wave logic built in. I would do it like that. Wave 2 on a percent change distance was larger than either 4 or 2, so it's accurate. Could be a shallow little wave 2 correction down into the 200-day moving average, and we're about to start to move higher. Okay, minimum would be 224 in Facebook. So perhaps. Another one that I'm looking at is Costco. I'll save that one for another video, but Costco's acting strong as well after good earnings. So check this below the video. You should have a link for tomorrow's webinar on the YouTube live stream. And then Thursday night, we will be doing a webinar to show you MotiveWave, the Elliott Wave software that I'm using. They're doing a sale. We're going to help them with that sale. We always do. I've been working with those guys a long time. And informational webinar if it's something that you're interested in. All right. Thanks for your patience and indulgence with the boys early on, and we'll see you guys at some point on a free video update. See ya.